Hey everyone, welcome back to Kitchen and Home Review. In this video, we're reviewing the 30 Amazon home organization tools you'll actually use in 2026 to help you save space and keep your home organized. Watch till the end to see the most useful Amazon home organization must-haves. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe. Let's get started. Organize smarter with the Lancia 3-tier rolling cart in clean white. This multifunction utility storage cart features smooth rolling wheels for easy mobility and 3 spacious tiers for kitchen, bathroom, or laundry essentials. Use the included classified stickers to label items neatly. Durable, compact, and stylish. This mobile shelving unit keeps everything accessible and clutter-free. Stay organized anywhere with the Fomemo D30 label maker machine. This portable Bluetooth mini thermal label printer connects easily to your phone for quick, ink-free printing. Compact, handheld, and rechargeable, it's perfect for office and home organization. With rich icons, fonts, and multiple templates, creating clean, professional labels is fast, simple, and fun. Upgrade your storage with this 9-tier foldable shoe rack organizer, designed to hold up to 36 pairs with ease. Featuring a collapsible plastic design, clear doors for quick visibility, and stackable storage boxes, it keeps your closet neat and dust-free. Easy to assemble, space-saving, and durable. This large shoe cabinet is perfect for organizing shoes efficiently and stylishly. Transform your space with the Avermagin 6-tier tree bookshelf in rustic brown. This unique tree-style bookcase features built-in LED lights to highlight your books and decor. Designed for small corners, it offers vertical storage while saving floor space. Perfect for the living room, bedroom, or home office, stylish, sturdy, and beautifully organized. Power up everything at once with this 5-in-1 wireless charging station for Apple devices. Designed for iPhone 17, 16e, 16, 15, 14, 13, and 12 Pro Max, it delivers fast, stable wireless charging. Charge your iPhone, Apple Watch, and AirPods simultaneously on one sleek stand, saving space, reducing cable clutter, and keeping your desk or nightstand perfectly organized. Bath mat rug. 100% memory foam. Cozy memory foam. Enjoy the comfort of standing on the clouds. Thick and fluffy contact surface offers exceptional comfortable feels. Perfect for bathroom, vanity, vacation home, master bathroom, kids' bathroom, and guest suite. Great idea for all occasions: Christmas, wedding, Father's Day, Mother's Day, and Valentine's Day. Super water absorption. The soft velvet microfiber layer can absorb as much water as possible from your wet feet. And the water do not stay on the surface on the bath mat. Non-slip backing. Yamobra bathroom mat rug is constructed with strong PVC backing, which helps to prevent shifting and skidding. And it will hold up for years to come, unlike many other brands, whose rubber backing tends to wear and peel off after multiple washes. Prevent from slipping. Please make sure the surface under the mat is smooth, clean, and dry. Circular sofa. Elevate your space with the Legend Vanson L Semicircle Velvet Sofa. This oversized 141.34-inch curved sectional brings luxury and comfort together in a stunning cream finish. Wrapped in soft velvet and designed with a modern semicircle shape, it creates a stylish centerpiece for living rooms, offices, or apartments. Spacious, elegant, and perfect for gatherings or relaxation, this sofa adds a touch of sophistication to any interior. Clothes dryer. Dry your clothes anywhere with the Majoko portable clothes dryer, the compact solution perfect for apartments, RVs, and travel. Despite its small size, it delivers fast, quiet drying with an adjustable timer for customized use. Lightweight and easy to set up, this mini dryer offers hassle-free convenience wherever you go. Ideal for quick drying needs, it keeps your laundry routine simple and efficient. Enjoy convenience right from your couch with the Couch Console Original Tray. This sleek sofa caddy securely fits over your armrest, holding drinks, snacks, your phone, and TV remotes all in one place. Designed with multiple compartments and a built-in phone stand, it keeps everything within easy reach. Perfect for living rooms, RVs, or even cars, its durable black design blends seamlessly with any space, making relaxation cleaner, easier, and more comfortable. Countertop corner bread box. Bring timeless charm and practicality to your kitchen with the black corner bread box, a stunning blend of modern style and farmhouse warmth. Crafted from premium bamboo wood, this large storage box keeps your bread, pastries, and snacks fresh longer. Its unique corner design saves space, while the clear window lets you see what's inside at a glance. Durable, elegant, and spacious, the black corner bread box is the perfect centerpiece for any countertop, adding beauty and organization to your kitchen every day. Upgrade your workspace with the KDD Desk Pad Mat Set, a smart 6-in-1 solution for modern home offices. This large mouse mat comes with magnetic desktop accessories you can customize your way. Use it as a phone or tablet stand, cup holder, pen and card holder, and cable organizer. The smooth surface improves mouse control while protecting your desk from scratches and spills. Stylish, functional, and flexible, it keeps your workspace organized and productive. Dock Hub. Upgrade your connectivity with the Anchor 5-in-1 USB-C hub. This compact hub features a 4K HDMI port for crisp, clear displays, plus one powered USB-C and two powered USB-A 3.0 ports delivering fast 5 gigabits per second data transfer. Perfect for MacBook Pro, MacBook Air, Dell, and more, it expands your laptop's capabilities instantly. Ideal for work, streaming, and multitasking, this hub keeps your setup efficient and clutter-free. Flex Chair. Experience comfort and focus with this ergonomic cross-legged office chair, designed for meditation, yoga, and flexible sitting. Its wide crisscross seat lets you sit naturally, while the built-in lumbar support keeps your posture aligned. With adjustable height and smooth rolling wheels, it's perfect for desks, home offices, and creative spaces. Ideal for anyone who needs movement-friendly seating, including those with ADHD, this chair brings comfort, stability, and freedom to your workday. Humidifier. Keep your air comfortable with the Levoit Top Fill Humidifier, designed with a 2.5L tank for bedrooms and large rooms. Its easy top-fill design makes refilling and cleaning simple, while the 28 dB quiet operation is perfect for homes, nurseries, and plants. With up to 25 hours of cool mist, BPA-free materials, and auto shutoff for safety, this humidifier delivers reliable, soothing moisture day and night. Laundry Hamper. Simplify your laundry routine with this 3-pack large laundry hamper set, designed for homes, dorms, and busy lifestyles. Each 75L hamper is waterproof, freestanding, and spacious enough to hold plenty of clothes, towels, or linens. The collapsible design makes storage easy when not in use, while the long, reinforced handles ensure comfortable carrying from room to room. Perfect for bedrooms, bathrooms, and college dorms, these durable gray hampers keep your space organized, tidy, and clutter-free. LED Table. Upgrade your living space with the Sedetta 40-inch lift-top coffee table, designed for both style and functionality. Its smooth lift-top design creates a convenient workspace or dining surface, while hidden storage keeps your essentials neatly organized. Two spacious drawers provide easy access to remotes, magazines, and everyday items. The built-in LED light adds a modern touch, perfect for creating a cozy atmosphere in any living room or reception area. Finished in sleek black, this compact yet versatile table fits beautifully in small spaces, combining practicality with contemporary design. Keep books, magazines, and files neatly organized with the Limitlaho 2-pack white magazine holders. Designed as vertical book bins, they're perfect for classrooms, libraries, offices, or home study areas. Each holder features a sturdy design with a space-saving vertical layout, measuring 10.6 by 10.2 by 3.5 inches. Clean, modern, and practical, these file folder boxes make organizing simple and stylish. Stool Set. Poo Leather. Thick padded foam. Made of fabric and upholstered bar chairs, has bigger size and soft padded foam, double needle stitching PU leather for easy wipe and wear resistant. Sturdy structure. SGS certified gas pole ensures the stool is stable and not shaky. Anti-slip base prevents your bar stool from scratches and prevents harsh noises when moving. Footrest promotes good posture and relieves leg pressure. Adjustable design, 360-degree swivel, and adjustable height design help you to easily access items and sit in a comfortable position. Seat height can be adjusted from 24 to 32.28. The airlift handle, allowing you to position the stool comfortably depending on how tall you are. Modern style, liven up your space with the charming bar stool that will catch eyes with its unique stylish charm. Love this ideal bar stools for use in the kitchen or dining area, coffee shops, etc. Keep everyday essentials organized in one place with the Tesla wood phone docking station. Crafted in a rich bourbon brown finish, it's perfect for a desk or nightstand. This all-in-one organizer holds your phone, wallet, keys, watch, and more, helping reduce clutter and save time. Stylish and practical, it makes a thoughtful birthday or anniversary gift for husbands, dads, or anyone who values organization. Organize any space with the Pipashell 3-tier rolling cart organizer. Designed with durable plastic shelves, this lightweight utility cart offers plenty of storage for your nursery, kitchen, bathroom, or craft room. The smooth rolling wheels glide easily and lock securely in place for stability, while the reinforced handle ensures easy movement from room to room. Its sleek white design fits any decor, making it a practical and stylish storage solution for everyday organization. Organize every space in your home with the eHome 6-pack clear pantry organizer bins. Made from durable, transparent plastic, these bins make it easy to see and access your items. Built-in handles allow for quick pull-out convenience in kitchens, freezers, cabinets, closets, or under the sink. Versatile and space-saving, these organizer bins help keep your home neat, tidy, and perfectly organized. Rideable luggage. Travel becomes easier and more fun with this 20-inch ride-on luggage featuring a foldable seat for kids and adults. The sturdy hardshell design includes a safety seat belt, a convenient front pocket, and lockable 4-spinner wheels for smooth movement. With a built-in USB port and TSA-approved lock, it keeps your essentials secure and your devices powered. Perfect for airports, family trips, and on-the-go comfort. Upgrade your couch comfort with the Nuvant Couch Cup Holder Tray. Crafted from premium acacia wood, this 3-in-1 sofa arm tray features a spacious surface for drinks, snacks, and essentials. The secure clip-on design fits most sofa armrests, while the built-in 360-degree rotating phone holder keeps your screen at the perfect viewing angle. Stylish, sturdy, and functional, it's the ideal solution for relaxing, working, or enjoying entertainment right from your couch. Maximize your storage space with the SNSLXH 5-pack stackable closet storage baskets. Designed to be multifunctional and foldable, these organizers are perfect for closets, bathrooms, kitchens, laundry rooms, or wardrobes. The stackable design creates vertical storage, while the open drawer-style baskets make it easy to access clothes, towels, and daily essentials. Durable, space-saving, and easy to assemble, this organizer set keeps your home neat, organized, and clutter-free. Organize your daily essentials with the Scython Valet Tray Desktop Storage Organizer. Made from premium PU leather in a classic brown finish, it adds a touch of elegance to any desk or nightstand. This catch-all tray is perfect for holding keys, phone, wallet, coins, jewelry, and remote controls. Stylish, durable, and practical, it keeps everything in one place and your space neat and clutter-free.